Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the formulas of volume and the surface area of solids. Okay, we have many solids around us like cube, cuboid, pyramids, spheres. Okay, so we will first see about the cube. First we will see about the square. Okay, this is the square. You know about the area of the square? The area of the square means side square because all the sides of the square is equal. So the formula of the area is side square. Again I cut this square into two equal parts. Okay, what I get here? The diagonal of the square. That means this side is the diagonal. I put the name here A, B, C, D. Okay. If I put the AC in this square, it becomes two equal parts and automatically the ABC becomes the right angle triangle. That means 90 degree. So we have to apply here to find out the AC. What we have to do? We have to apply here the Pythagoras theorem. And what the Pythagoras theorem says? The AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. If I take the side ABA, that means automatically BC also the A, because the sides are equal here. Okay, then I put the sides here. AB square की साइड A है, so A square plus BC की साइड A है, so A square is equal to AC square. Again I will add this, so 2A square is equal to AC square. देखो हमें यहाँ पे तो AC स्क्वायर मिला है. AC square is equal to 2A square, but we only want AC. So what will we have to do? We have to put this figure into root. Okay. So what will be the answer? A square का root A आया, A मैंने बाहर निकाला. √2 का स्क्वायर नहीं होता तो मैंने अंदर ही उसको रख दिया है और डायरेक्टली AC स्क्वायर का रूट डायरेक्टली AC आया. सो वी गेट द फॉर्मूला हियर दैट the AC is equal to A√2, means the diagonal of the square is A√2. Again what I will do here, we have to find out the diagonal of the cube. As you know, this cube, I know this is the kid's toy, but this is a cube. Okay, and this cube is made up of 6 squares. First I will draw the cube here. So you can get an idea about the diagonal of the cube. As we find the diagonal of the square, we also can find the diagonal of the cube. Okay, this is the cube. And what we have to do? We have to cut this cube into two equal parts. From this to this, means this to this. Okay, so this is this cube and this is the diagonal of this cube. Okay, I put the name here AC. That means the AC is the diagonal of the cube. Okay, then how can I find the diagonal of the cube? So first I will have to take this square. Okay, this is the square. Whether it is look like a rhombus, but it is a square. So this will become this is the diagonal of the square. and this will become the 90 degree angle. I put here the name AC and B and D. What I done here, this square I cut into two parts. That means I get the triangle BDC. Okay, this is the right angle triangle, and what we will have to apply here, as we previous done, that the diagonal is a root 2. Okay, we can apply the formula here. The diagonal square of formula here, a raised a square a root 2. Okay, the AB is the side A and the BC का side है A root 2. The automatically, if the BDC is the right angle triangle, then automatically the ABC also becomes the right angle triangle. So we can apply here the Pythagoras theorem here. So what will the Pythagoras theorem says? That AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay, did you get that? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay, again I will put the numbers here, means the sides here. AB square का side है A square plus BC का side है A root 2. I will have 2 square of this side and the AC square. Okay, so again A square plus A square, A का square A square plus root 2 का square only 2 आएगा, तो यहाँ पे मैंने 2 लिख दिया is equal to AC square. Okay, तो again A2 plus A2 अगेन हम लोग यहाँ पर 2a स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. 2a स्क्वायर, तो what will be the answer here? 3a square is equal to ac square. Okay, so हमें ac स्क्वायर का आंसर मिला है 3a स्क्वायर, बट हमें खाली ac चाहिए. We only want ac. So again I have to put the root sign here. Okay, so a square means मैंने बाहर निकाला उसको, a आया. रूट 3 का स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकता, इसको स्क्वायर रूट में ही डाल दिया. इज इक्वल टू, ये डायरेक्टली बाहर आएगा, सो इज इक्वल टू a c. ओके, सो we get the formula here. The diagonal of the cube is a square a root 3. a root 3. अगर हमें साइड दिया है तो हम डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके उसका आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. इफ द क्यूब का साइड दिया है 5, तो डायरेक्टली मैं उसका डायगोनल निकाल सकती हूँ कि 5 रूट 3. ओके, सो वी फाइंड आउट द area, the diagonal of the cube. The next one we will see the lateral area. Lateral area of lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cube. Okay, first we will know this is the cube and this is made up of 6 squares, as I told you before. But what is the mean by lateral? Means what will we have to do? We will have to do to remove this one area and this one area. Means only we have to count the 4 square area. Okay, then what will be the 4 squares area is? That is 4a square. Okay, then we will see the total surface area of cube. Okay. Lateral means I removed the this one and the this one. But the total means I have to add all these squares area. So what will be the answer is here? That means the 6 square is here. So the 6 areas of the square is equal to 6a square. That means 6 square and the area a square. That means 6a square. Okay. So we have found the a formulas of here. That means the we found the first square area of the square. Then again we found the formula of the diagonal of the square. Again we find the formula of the cuboid, the cube of the diagonal of the cube. Again we find the lateral surface area of the cube, and then we find the formula of total surface area of a cube, and we have to apply these formulas into the sums. Okay, thank you.